everybody, we have a new challenge for Cooper. We have 2 bombs over here. We're gonna give you one to him, but this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the room and we're gonna put the bomb together with his toys, and I wanna see if we bring it back with us. So let's do it. Go get it. Go get it. Cooper, go get it. Go get it. Go. Hey, go. Go get it. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Get the bomb. Get the bomb. Bring the bomb. Yay! Good boy. Good boy. Wow, Cooper, you did it. Wow, you're so smart. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Cooper. You did it. Yes. You're so smart.